Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. Today's video is a concrete junction box with a manhole. This junction box connects two 36-inch RCPs with two 36-inch RCP turned at a 45-degree angle. The walls are 8 inches thick and the number 4 rebar is on 8-inch centers. The concrete mix is a structural mix, or commonly known as a 4,000 psi mix. You can see the forms are built really good in order to hold the weight of the concrete. The worker pours the concrete from the bucket slowly to prevent the forms from blowing out. The contractor is having to use the bucket due to the weather. It's so muddy, the concrete truck is unable to back up to the junction box. Here you can see the excavator going back to the concrete truck for another load. The contractor lines up the concrete bucket and begins to slowly pour. Notice he is pouring at different places to load the forms more evenly. He continues to pour the concrete slowly. Now the worker is checking the forms and will make any needed repairs. It appears there's some sort of problem, but the worker is fixing it. Notice the worker has spread out the concrete and it's not in just one area. Now for the next pour, notice how the worker has spread out the concrete and it's not just placed in the same area. Now the contractor is using a concrete vibrator. He will vibrate all the way from the top to the bottom to prevent any air pockets. He is very careful not to leave the vibrator in too long. This puts a lot of pressure on the forms. Notice how he goes all the way around the structure. With the walls vibrated, it's time to finish the pour. The contractor begins to finish the concrete before they even finish pouring. The worker is able to pour the concrete a little faster now. Here we are the next day, and the contractor has removed the forms on the outside of the junction box. You are able to see the 236-inch RCP coming out of the box at a 45-degree angle, and the other side of the junction box you can see the 236-inch RCP going into the box. You can see the contractor has not removed the forms from the inside yet. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Please remember to subscribe, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up.